Welcome to the U.S. Naval Academy. Today, you will learn ship control. First, look at your instruments. Top right is the compass. It displays the heading of your ship, the direction you're looking, and the whereabouts of enemy units. Bottom right is your helm. It displays the setting of your engine and rudder, and your current speed. Center screen is the crosshair. It shows you where you're aiming. Bottom left is the unit window. Now it displays information about your current unit. The initials to the right of the name tell you the class. DD stands for destroyer. Your other instruments are detailed in later tutorials. Move the throttle control up or down to change engine setting. Settings are full speed, half, and back. Use the rudder controls to steer the ship. Once set, your ship will continue turning until you straighten. Yellow arrows point out your objectives. Head to the yellow arrow. Now, that was a splendid piece of navigation, sailor. While you're in control of a ship, you can look and aim your weapons in a different direction from the one you're traveling. Try looking around. Looks like you got it. The indicator on the compass shows you the direction you're looking compared to the direction you're heading. You also have binoculars for taking a closer look at things. Use the binoculars to zoom in on the carrier. Excellent work, sailor.